Welcome back, I'm Ed. Today we're just gonna be putting on a new wing on top of here. I got a VIS Techno R wing for this car. Carbon fiber. They are really expensive. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I believe I'm gonna have to modify the holes for the wing to fit, but we're gonna cross that bridge when we get there. First step is, let's get this wing off. Before I start unbolting it, I'm going to disconnect the third brake light. So all the bolts holding this wing on look to be 10 millimeter. So I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew the middle one first. It's taking too long. So we're going to use this. I want to put this in the trunk. Don't let me forget where I put it. And as usual, you're always going to put the bolts there. I don't know why, just do it. Next step is we're going to get the bolts on the side here. So you can get to one of them right there through this hole. That is not a factory bolt there. So we gotta get a different wrench. This is probably too big, but we're gonna try it. It might work. Let's see. Well, it worked. Let's shut this and then we can pull it up. That came off a little too easy. There we go, factory wing off. I do not like the way it looks without a wing. Now I gotta get all this dirt and stuff off. So I'm gonna use my homemade detail spray. I got a video on that if you're interested in how I make my homemade detail spray. This paint is really bad. This car needs a paint job. You can see cracks over here. Really bad body work done to it, I guess. So at this point, all I'm doing is trying to line up the spoiler to see where I'm gonna have to drill the holes, because I'm assuming I'm gonna have to drill holes for this. And once we get everything lined up, then we can put the gaskets and whatnot on it and bolt it down. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall. I think what we're gonna have to do is drill this hole back to bring this whole assembly back, and then do the same thing on the other side. So basically what I got going on is that side is bolted, the middle is bolted, and this does not line up. And this is close to the edge, and this is like pushed in. So the whole spoiler is like that. So I think I'm gonna try and unbolt the middle, bolt the side, and then figure out what's going on with the middle. Unless I got the middle wrong, can't be wrong. No possible way that's wrong. Okay, so this is where we're at. This bolt is gonna have to go in a little bit, and the other side I'm gonna have to do the same thing. And then from there we'll have to deal with the center. But the plan is to get these two outsides lined up first, and then we'll figure out the center. I did drop a bolt inside here, which was a pain to get out. I used a boroscope and a magnet. Took me way too long, but I eventually got it out. For this, what I think I'm gonna try first is using a stepping bit and then just kind of push it over that way. And not to go down and make it wider or bigger, just open it up going that way. So I'm gonna try and widen this hole. I'm gonna come in towards me a little bit, and then we'll go and do the same thing on this side once this side's bolted, and that'll give us some room to kind of flex, you know, in and out to exactly where we want it. So I kind of got it. Problem is the center. It does not have any screw holes lined up, but I got the two outsides on. So I guess I gotta figure out where that hole lines up and then maybe drill it. Okay, so this is what ended up having to do is, that's where the hole went there, had to go in the middle instead of there. And then I had to drill this hole downwards so I could get the wire through without it pinching. For the edges, I just had to drill them outwards a little bit. And this is what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's fully bolted now, so it's kind of nice. I like it. So at this point, I got the connector off the factory spoiler. I'm just going to connect these and then plug it in. I'm not going to do this on video just because I got stuff I got to do. I got an issue with my truck, P0306, that I'm trying to troubleshoot. So I'm going to put this off to later, but that's basically what I'm going to do is just connect it to there, plug it in, and then clean it up, make it look nice. Anyway, I think we're good for this video. Thank you for watching. Aloha, peace out. Catch you in the next one.